just made a coffee. We're gonna go to the Saturday market. We were thinking about going and getting a coffee, but honestly, since we got our coffee machine, I feel like I prefer the coffee I make than anywhere else. I made a little to-go cup for each of us.
I already finished mine. Thanks.
You're welcome. We do keep stopping and looking at these two right here and this one right here. We just want to make our balcony so beautiful. Do you hear the bell?
Yeah.
Look at that pink moped. That is my dream. I'm so happy that the weather is nice. This morning was so nice. We went on like a really long nature walk. It was so beautiful. Exactly what was needed now that we finally have some summer sunshine coming through. I'm gonna do my skincare right now and like wash off the sunscreen from today. I've lately been using the Juno Co. clarifying cleansing powder. And to be honest, I actually have loved using powdered cleansers in the past. They kind of like exfoliate the dead skin off really nice, and then if you just put a little bit of water on it as well. It's Friday night. This week was honestly so exhausting, very productive. I'm so happy that I can have a little bit of a self-care night tonight because it is very much needed. Loving the idea of just having a very chill night. I love our wine glasses. I took you guys with me on a vlog when I was wine glass shopping because I was like super specific about how I wanted them to look. I feel like your wine glasses say a lot about you. Anyway, I have like this itty bitty baby bottle of rosé. Hi guys, it is a few days later. It's Tuesday now. Quite a lot has happened since I last saw you, so I'm gonna fill you in. I did a nail refresh. We have a new set of nails. I love these so much more than the old ones that I had. The old ones that I had were cute, but I just like don't love coffin shape on me anymore. And I feel like these are just so girly and cute. And I love it when I have like girly and cute nails. It just makes me feel more put together. I did these and I love them. I also did a little bit of a self tan a few days ago, which also always just puts me in the best mood. I always just feel like I look good, feel good whenever I self tan. And then today I spent most of the day doing a huge apartment deep clean and like refresh. I feel like it's so important every once in a while to move stuff around in your apartment and just get a new feng shui and get a new energy. Like I love to do that whenever I feel like I'm like stepping into a new era or like a new time in my life, because I feel like having
Welcome back to vlogs.
Do you now like having the mirror in here or no?
I don't know. It was kind of strange. I came from outside and I walk in because it's as soon as you walk through.
You saw it? Oh yeah, you can see. Kind of moved some stuff around while Keno was at work, so he came home from work and I hear the door open and then I hear him go, no. And
Okay.
I knew he was talking about the mirror being moved into here, but you just had to let it warm up to you.
True. No, I did. You're right.
Like, I feel like it's kind of a fun energy change.
No, it does look good.
But if you don't like it, we can move it around.
No,
like,
solid. Good pick.
I just thought it'd be nice.
Just a little throw up. Yeah, we had to have a little switch up, you know?
Yeah. I feel like
That's
just
good.
having an energy change is really nice sometimes. And now I was telling him, like, when we're getting dressed, now we can just step over instead of having to walk back and forth. And we also have like more furniture we want to order and stuff for the apartment. Yeah, so I feel really good right now having a really clean apartment. Like when I tell you I decluttered a ton of stuff, moved a bunch of furniture around, moved the plants around because the plant that was here got too big for the space, which I love that it's flourishing and growing, but it was just too big for the space that we were like breaking it when we would try to get in and out of bed or like get dressed. So I moved it to a space where it has more space, brought this in here. So a bit of an energy change. Deep cleaned the room, and then I deep cleaned vanity area because I felt like it was good to move some products around. So I put out Hourglass products that they sent me, some of the milk products that they sent me, and just like tried to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, because I feel like when you sit down and everything is like aesthetically pleasing and clean, my creative juices just flow better, because then that's one thing I don't have to worry about. So then I can just like do what I need to do. do. I've been doing a ton of laundry today, and then we just went to the grocery store. The last area that I need to clean, because I've done the bathrooms, I've done the laundry room, is the living room and the kitchen, and that I need to tackle. But I'm gonna do that in a little bit because I really want to take you guys through a little bit of a PR haul that came in. First, I'm gonna start with Coco and Eve because they sent quite a bit. So they sent the self-tan. This is the same self-tan that I'm wearing right now. My forever self-tan. I literally have been using this for years. Coco and Eve in the shade Dark. They also sent a kabuki brush, just like for your face and your hands. And then I'm really excited about this one. Is that a ginger ale?
Would you like one?
Wait, actually I kind of want to let it cool down in the fridge. Yeah,
okay.
I'll let it cool a little longer.
Yeah.
Thanks though. They also sent a back applicator. So you literally just like go like this with it and it self-tans your back. So now I can do my back self-tan on my own. Brand new fresh mitt. I have one it's been used and loved, so it's definitely in need of a new refresh, so that couldn't have came at a more perfect timing. Their new collection, this one I'm genuinely so excited about because it's SPF for the summer, but it's like SPF in the best ways. So it's their Body Milk SPF, their Body Shimmer SPF, and then their Oil SPF. Everything is SPF 50. I've tried the anti-aging body oil last summer and I loved it, this one. But these two are new ones that I've never tried before. And it's Coconut Milk Body SPF 50 and then the Highlighting Body SPF. I'm so excited to try. I feel like the milk is gonna be so good this summer, so I'm really excited for those. So thank you so much, Coco and Eve, because you guys always get my tan looking good. This next one is actually a new brand of getting PR. I haven't gotten PR from them before in the States or here, but it's ColourPop. This is their liquid bronzer collection. It's 3 shades of their new liquid bronzer. These are in the shade West Beach, Sunset Beach, and Coral Beach, and it's a weightless liquid bronzer. And then it also came with a bronzer brush. Oh, cute. Oh yeah, I feel like that'll get everything right where I need it. So thank you, ColourPop. I'm so excited to try these. I honestly need to plan like a fun night out or something that I can do like dramatic makeup for, because I've been finding such good dramatic makeup inspo, and I honestly miss when I used to do these really glam makeup looks, but I just haven't had a reason to get like fully glammed recently. I really want to do like a full glam look soon and just like really go crazy on the makeup. But anyway, that's my little PR haul for today. I feel like I didn't even sleep at all. I'm gonna change my Sunday night and I'm officially on vacation. I'm so excited. This last week was so crazy and hectic, so I tried to vlog when I could. Very productive week, very fun and cool things in store to come. So definitely stick around for next week's vlogs. I think I'm gonna be able to get a bonus vlog up next week, so I think 2 vlogs will come out. Bye.